Welcome back to Atypical Wealth. This is Aamber Hickman, your South Bay LA realtor, and today we're touring a beautiful property in downtown Los Angeles in the South Park neighborhood. Be sure to subscribe for more tours of South Bay LA homes. If you don't know downtown LA, you should get to know South Park. It's a beautiful area. There's a lot of businesses. People are out and about getting coffee, walking their dogs, going to work. It's also full of great restaurants, and it's walking distance from the Crypto.com arena, formerly known as the Staples Center. Let's take a look at this unit and see what it has to offer. First, I want you to get a sense of what it looks like to walk in for the first time. You're in this gorgeous lobby. You walk down a sleek hallway to your elevator. Today we'll be touring a 1-bedroom, 1.5-bath condominium on the 8th floor. Take a look at this home. As soon as you walk in, you are greeted by a beautiful open hallway. To your left, you have extra storage, which is super rare for downtown Los Angeles. You have your stackable washer dryer setup and shelving built in. Exiting the storage, going down the hall with your front entry on the right side. To our left, we have the main bedroom. We have carpet on the main bedroom floors, which offers a really great contrast with these dark hardwood floors. As we enter, we cannot help but notice these views of downtown LA. Because this is a corner unit, you're going to get views in this particular unit that you won't get anywhere else in the complex. This is a really great sized bedroom, just right for 2 people to live comfortably. You can also probably fit a small desk right to my right behind this pillar and be able to daydream while you work. Love that. Let's check out the bathroom. We have a full bathroom here, tub and shower, beautiful fixtures. You have absolutely timeless fixtures here. You won't have to replace these for years. This really goes for the entirety of the space. The mid-century modern inspiration is everywhere in this space, and you really don't have to worry about being on trend because this place is giving. Now we're in the main closet. We see sliding pocket doors, which leads to even more storage. Really high ceilings here, so you can get plenty of your belongings organized without a problem. Exiting out of the bathroom, back into the main bedroom and into the main hallway. As we exit out of the main bedroom, we see more storage in this closet off to the right. Again, this is very rare for downtown LA, lots of storage in this unit. To our left, we have the guest bathroom. This is a half bath. I personally love the fact that you can have people over and they don't have to use your personal bathroom. This beautiful vanity offers a small amount of storage for the essentials. Once you exit, you're off to the living room. To my left is the kitchen. This is a really great size space. You can fit up to 8 people here comfortably with enough seating. Check out this balcony. This is a large balcony for downtown LA. Once again, you have those corner unit views, and considering the amount of buildings nearby, this is relatively private. Once we exit the balcony, we can see there's even more open space off to the right by the dining room. We'll explore that next. Beautiful light fixture. You can see again that mid-century modern influence. There's enough seating here on this table for 6 people, which is pretty great. Again, with the views, who needs a TV with views like this? There's open space everywhere. We have the floating cabinetry, which adds an awesome element of surprise here. And then your microwave is down off to the left. super deep cabinets for lots of storage. We have our sink and our gas stove. And again, even more storage with timeless design. We have high quality finishes all around this unit. You really don't have to change anything unless you want to. Take a closer look at these countertops. We have the glass top on the eating bar and the quartz here by the sink. This place is super, super clean. So glad you got the chance to tour with me here today. If you would like to know more about this unit, about this listing, check the link in the description below for the listing agent's information. I'd be happy to give you a tour myself if you're ever in the Los Angeles area. Contact me for more information about this or similar units, and I'm happy to help you out. This is Aamber Hickman, your South Bay LA Realtor. I'll see you on the next tour.